She roams through cities beneath the sky so vast, journeys her heart, wanderlust at last. Lee's got her maps, crinkled and unfurled, stamps in her passport from all around the world. Ooh. She feels the cobblestones under her boots, every new sunrise, fresh roots, new roots. Leah's got stories like stars she's seen, tales written in the lines of her palm so serene. Breezes through frontiers with ease and no fear, carrying memories, souvenirs so dear. Ooh. Oh, Leah's chasing horizons, chasing a soul song. She travels with the wind, won't stay too long.
Sei tu in prima fila, vuoi stare in prima fila?